In Turkey,
There is a common belief, especially among the elderly people. They recite the Holy Quran, and they said that they send it to their own qabr before their death. So what
They do what?
they recite Holy Quran,
Yes.
and they said that they send this recitation to their qabr, to their grave before their death. So what is the significance of this, and what can we say to them?
You say in the prayer, after the recitation of the Holy Quran is complete, the different words are reported from Ahmad. One of them is that may this Quran save me from the torture of the qabr. So perhaps it is this which has led them to believe that when they recite the Quran and they are as though they are capable of sending the recitation to their qabr in future. This is not the meaning of that prayer of Ahmad at all. What he means is the torture between the time of death and the time of resurrection. During that period, the Quran should stand witness that this person did not violate the injunctions of the Holy Quran. As such, it will ward off any blast of fire which may reach other people who are bound to go to hell. So this is the true meaning, which has been misinterpreted by some people. Whatever their interpretation, anyway, they do not have any power to send their recitation to their qabr, which they don't know. And how can they send it to the qabr? Only Allah can do it. They can't do anything like that.